How's it going, everybody? My name is Warner Fields with Fields of Profit. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller and full-time student, and in today's video I've got a little bit of a different one for you. If you're new to the channel, I usually make online arbitrage, wholesale, Amazon trading content, that kind of good stuff, things that I believe are tremendously scalable for all of you guys to go ahead and learn from. But I've seen a lot of you guys really enjoying some retail arbitrage content lately, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try for myself, see if maybe I'm missing out on some opportunity there. So I went ahead and headed out to a Walmart. I checked some clearance, some toys, electronics, all that good stuff. I've never honestly done retail arbitrage. This month I will do about $50,000 in sales on Amazon, and I've never done retail arbitrage, which is kind of crazy. Just shows you how many different ways you can go to be successful on Amazon. But yeah, I started out going to thrift stores. I did about $100,000 in used books when I first started, so that's kind of retail arbitrage, but not in the sense of going to Walmart. But let's go ahead and jump into the video where I am scanning in the clearance aisle. So the first thing I ended up finding here in the clearance aisle were these little ice cream makers. They're on clearance for $10 a piece. And over on Amazon, it looks like they were selling for about $53, which looked really good at first glance. So we're going to go ahead and dive into a Keepa chart and see how it looks. Okay. So here on the Keepa graph, you can see that it does actually sell. It looks like Amazon is on the listing, but right now they're on the listing for about $40. So let's say we wanted to undercut them a little bit. I found a faster moving listing actually. But this should still work for the fee calculations. So let's say we wanted to sell this one for maybe 30 to get it out from under Amazon, probably get some buy box rotation. We're buying it for 10. So after fees, this one is not going to be profitable. So we would need to be selling it pretty high, so we're going to have to pass on this one. So moving on to some of the other items in the aisle, we had these little baby monitors here. It looks like they were about $50, same price they were in store. None of this stuff was marked down really that deep. These were, I think, $28 and they were for sale for $34. We had this Safety First little humidifier down here. On Amazon, it was about $20 and they were trying to sell it for $28. So definitely no profit there. And then the Grow Clock here, I wasn't able to find with a barcode scan. So I went ahead and tried to scan the front. There's a little nugget for you. If you can't find the UPC on Amazon by scanning it, you can scan the front of it. In this case, I was not able to find the Grow Clocks on there. So I went ahead and pulled up the Walmart app here to make sure that those clearance prices are actually the correct prices. And it looks like all these prices were what they were actually marked. And it would have been tough to get a much profit out of these anyway, with kind of the size of the products and the prices they were going for on Amazon. They also had these dehydrators down here. They were marked down pretty deep, but I was not able to find them on Amazon. I went ahead and tried to scan the front here. I scanned the barcode, wasn't able to find anything. They had this volleyball net. It was marked down about $50, but after fees, we would have been losing $10 to $20, so obviously nothing there. They had some face masks, which you should probably stay away from selling those, but they were marked down pretty deep, so I was just scanning them out of curiosity. Again, just trying to learn anything I can about getting into retail arbitrage. But that was it for the clearance aisle. So from here, I went ahead and headed off to the toys aisle. Checking out Legos here. I'm not seeing much on clearance. Looks like we've got some of this is on rollback. Nothing's too crazy though. I did see this up here is marked down significantly, but I think it's out of stock. We've got these dots here. I've seen some people buying these, so we can go ahead and scan this on the back here. They're going for $4, so it's probably not going to be worth it, but they're going for $9. Let's see. Yeah, so by the time we sell this, and I actually still need to get my Lego invoice submitted, but by the time we would submit this in, we're not going to make anything after fees. Looks like we got a little bit more clearance here. We're going to go and check out the barcode here. Looks like this is selling for $8. Even on clearance, it's only $10.24. We've got this one right here. Not sure if all these are marked down, but we can go ahead and see if it'd be worth it. This looks like starting at $13. You can see what the FBA price is. So the FBA price is $19, so this is $19. We're going to be paying $7.38 for it. So we could check with the Amazon seller app to go ahead and type in our cost of purchase. So we're looking at $7.38. So after fees, we'd be making about $5 on this. This looks like a pretty good purchase actually. We're going to go ahead and check these out. Just for an example, I went ahead and pulled up the Keepa graph on this one. This toy looks like it actually has been selling for that $20 price point. You can zoom back out. Looks like it's kind of a recent price increase, but moving into Q4, this toy should only increase in value. So we should at least make that $5, and we'll see if we can get the price to go up during Q4. We're also going to go ahead and check out and see what the prices on the rest of these models are. So I'm going to scan this one. Looks like this one's going for $9.99, and the sales rank isn't quite as good. We're going to check the fire truck. This one's also $9.99, so it's probably just this bulldozer. Let's see if we can find any more of them. It doesn't look like it, but we'll go ahead and throw this in the car. So up here on the top shelf, they had these Thomas sets marked down pretty deep. They were about half price. So I went ahead and scanned the barcode here. This one actually, the box was a little damaged, so you want to be careful with that if you're doing retail arbitrage. It looks like in this case, after fees, we would have only been making about $4 because they wanted $37 for it, and after fees is only $41, so definitely not enough ROI to make it worth it there. And then on this one, they were wanting $24 for it, so you went ahead and scanned it. And on the Amazon seller app, it looks like this one also is not profitable. After fees, we would have been losing about $6. They also had these dolls up on the shelf here. Again, these weren't marked down super deep, just scanning them out of curiosity. But these had really good sales ranks, but I would guess that some wholesale sellers are selling these with some good prices. They were significantly cheaper. Well, moving on here to the video games, I also saw these two down here. These were both $1 a piece, but the sales rank was about 80,000, so way too high. We're over here in the video game section. I've been seeing a lot of people being able to pick out games for 3 cents, but I'm not really seeing any of the titles that I know are 3 cents. They also have already cleared out all the 3DS games. Those 3DS games are like $5 to $10 right now. I'm not seeing any of those titles that were 3 cents. If you do, let me know. Let me know if I missed out. So I'm not seeing any of those 3-cent games. But I'm also in an area that's right next to Walmart HQ, so I'm wondering if the clearance here isn't going to be quite as good as other parts of the country. So this little Paw Patrol toy ended up being the only thing that we came out with. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing with retail arbitrage. I need to get more into BrickSeek and all that good stuff, and I know that that's how you kind of go about that. But just kind of a pure beginner standpoint, I walked into Walmart, scanned all the stuff that I've seen in YouTube videos, and just came out with one toy. So honest review, I don't think it's that great unless you come prepared with BrickSeek deals and really know what you're looking for. If you want to go ahead and follow our free Discord, that's going to be down in the description. Also go ahead and check out my TikTok, my Instagram. I post content more often there. It's just a little bit less formal than here. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.